breaking updates that are coming in amid the politicking that's taking place. The Congress party taking a dig at Prime Minister Modi. Yet again, the Congress party has been poking fun at the Prime Minister. Now the Congress party says we don't need lessons from the Prime Minister on how to work. We are not looking at any lessons from the Prime Minister. We don't need any such lessons. As a tweet that has come in from Pawan Khera, who says that the Congress party does not really need any lessons on how to work from the Prime Minister. So the Congress party has been poking fun at the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, after his 45-hour tapasya, is holding meetings. Listen in to what the Congress party is saying.
जब हम सरकार में आएंगे अभी 4 जून के बाद, तो उनकी जरूर सलाह ले लेंगे कि कैसे काम नहीं करना चाहिए। वो तो जरूर उनसे सलाह ले लेंगे। उन्हें अब अपने अगले 100 दिन उन्हें क्या करना है भूतपूर्व प्रधानमंत्री की बतौर, वो उसकी तैयारी करनी चाहिए।
Meanwhile, the BJP has now hit back at the opposition. This is, of course, after the exit poll results have come in, after the Prime Minister is holding back-to-back meetings. Now, after the Congress party says that this is nothing but a psychological attempt to derail the opposition, the BJP has hit back saying the Prime Minister is doing his duty, and that's what he's looking at. He has taken note of the cyclone and the aftermath of the cyclone, and he is speaking to officials to find out what is the situation on ground.
आदरणीय मोदी जी तो हमेशा ही गरीब हित व भारत के गौरव को बढ़ाने के लिए गरीब, अन्नदाता, महिला व युवा के कल्याण के लिए दिन रात मेहनत की प्रकाष्ठा करते हैं और एक्शन मूड में रहते हैं। उनके लिए जीवन का एक एक क्षण भारत के गौरव को बढ़ाने के लिए यहाँ के लोगों के लिए है। ये हमें इस पर गर्व है।
We are very grateful to Narendra Modi ji because the day when he have taken the charge of Prime Minister, from that day onwards, he has given most importance to the Northeast, and he has told that he will look up after the cyclone effect that Northeast has faced. So we are very much grateful, and you see that Narendra Modi is doing everything, whatever he does, it is well planned. So he has planned for 100 days, so he will give a good result to all the people.
Of course, the war of words is only going to continue until the 4th of June when the actual results will be out. Amitji, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with your perspective on the meetings that are taking place. Quick break now. We'll be right back. Stay with us.